Today you will see how to assemble the Enock chair. The chair consists of the following components: legs, backrest, narrow backrest board, bumper bar with safety harness, large board, small board, 2 cross stretchers, rod, tray, 2 tray fittings, mounting bolts, 4 cylinder nuts, Allen wrench, 2 cushions, included in the version with cushions. The assembly starts with the leg and the cross stretcher. Fit the protruding part of the cross stretcher into the hole in the chair leg. Put a nut in the hole. Remember that the incision on the nut should be parallel to the direction of the bolt. Then put the bolt in the hole. Screw it into the nut in the cross stretcher and tighten it with the Allen wrench. The second cross stretcher should be fitted in the same manner. Next, mount the backrest. Gently place it in the socket in the upper part of the leg on its inner side. Now insert the rectangular nut on the right side of the leg. Insert the bolt into the hole in the leg and screw it into the nut in the backrest. Next, place the narrow backrest board in the socket located under the backrest, on the inner side of the legs. Slide the rectangular nut into this space. Insert the bolt into the hole in the leg and screw it into the nut in the board. Then the safety harness can be installed. Place the bumper bar with the safety harness in the socket on the inner side of the leg. It's time to mount the other leg on. Place matching nuts in the holes on the cross stretcher and backrest boards, in the same way as it was done on the first leg. Next, place the bolts in the holes in the leg and screw them. Now, screw the rod in halfway up the leg, using the bolt which is screwed with the Allen wrench. Put the small board in the highest position like this. Place the larger board as a footrest at one of several heights. Tighten all the screws in the chair. Next, install the safety harness by putting it through the hole in the large board and through the holes in the narrower backrest board. Make sure the harness is not twisted at any point. OK, ready. Adjust the safety harness using plastic buckles. Now it is time to mount the tray. Let's start with the fittings. Place them on the other 2 holes in the chair legs. Use bolts and a wrench to screw them in. Take the tray and slide it into the fittings, pressing the red button on both sides until a click is heard. There are cushions included in the set. Place the first one on the small board. Thread the harness through the hole in the cushion and seat. Then fasten the Velcro straps at the bottom. The second cushion is placed on the backrest and is also fastened the same way. The Enock chair for the smaller child is now ready. Now we will turn the chair into a version for an older child. Start by removing the tray and the 2 cushions. To do this, pull the harness out of the holes. Then unscrew the 2 fittings. Then unscrew these screws to loosen up the chair structure. Remove the small board, the larger board and the bumper bar with the safety harness. In the version for older children, the large board is used as a seat and the small one as a footrest. Adjust them to the height of your child by choosing the appropriate level. The footrest can be placed in one of 4 positions and the seat in one of 5 levels. When the children's feet reach the floor, the footrest can be omitted. After setting the elements in the chosen position, tighten all screws. The chair is very easy to clean. Just wipe it with a dry cloth. OK, the Enock chair for the older child is ready. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.